everybody, Happy New Year. Welcome to my channel and let's do some yoga with Lina. As this is the beginning of the year and every new beginning gives us some hope to start afresh. So this yoga flow is intended for something like this. So hop on your mat and let's do yoga for starting afresh. So we'll start with some prayer. Sit in Sukhasan first. How to sit in Sukhasan? Just put the left foot near your pelvis, the other foot in front of it. This is Sukhasan, the easy pose. Round your shoulders, straighten up your spine, chin up. Inhale and exhale. We will take 3 deep inhales and exhales here. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. We will join our hands in the form of prayer and we will pray Hari Om. Alright, so we will start with some standing asanas first. Stand on your mat. Very good. Now, inhale and raise your hands towards the sky. Be comfortable here. Hold in this position for a few seconds. And now, push your buttocks towards the front and try to bend. Hasta Uttanasana. Very good. Now, slowly we will bend, touching our feet with exhale. You will feel nice stretch in your hamstrings. Raise your head here. Try to lift up your hands and put it on the knees. Try to make a table pose from the back. Hold here for a few seconds. And stand. Alright. Now, again, this time we will try to stand on our toes. So raise on your toes. Don't close your eyes here because you might get disbalanced. Inhale, raise your hands towards the sky. Down. Inhale, up, slowly. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale. Now when you're inhaling, try to push your stomach inside. Exhale, release. Alright. So this is the standing asana that we did. Now we're going to do some seating positions. Okay. So for that we will start with Marjari asana. Come on all fours. Like this. Now with inhale we will look up. Pushing the buttocks towards the sky, making an arc with the back. And raise your head towards the sky. Inhale with this position slowly. And exhale, now we'll make a round from the back. Pushing your navel inside the stomach. Exhale here. Inhale, look up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now, bring the right leg between your hands and the knee in the same and the left knee in the same alignment with the right leg. okay, with a straight line, in the same line with the right leg. Now, push your right leg towards the front until it gets straight like this. Now here we will point and flex. So point the ankle first, point toes first, then flex. Point, flex, point, flex, point and flex. Now we'll take the other leg between your hands and the right knee in the same line with the left foot. Straighten up your left foot. You can also take the help of the hand. Now, once it gets straight, point it towards the sky and then point it towards the ground. Point it towards the sky, point towards the ground. Your breathing should be normal. Inhale and exhale. Point, point ground, point sky, point ground. You might, now we'll again come in this position, spread your knees a little bit, okay, in the same line with the hands. Now, we are going to raise our right hand towards the sky, and while doing this, we'll try to open up our heart, okay. If you don't understand this, don't worry, you will understand slowly. So when you are raising your hands, you'll try to push this shoulder towards the back. So this way you'll open up your heart, okay. So inhale, look up, push your shoulder blades towards the back. Exhale, come down. With the other hand, inhale, look up. Open your heart, exhale, look down. Inhale again. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now, we'll do Balasana. For that, spread your knees mat distance apart, touch your toes, sit on your ankles, spread your hands towards the ground. You can relax in this position for a bit. Breathing normal. You will feel a lot of relaxation in this position. Alright. Now, we will sit. You can also sit in Sukhasan if you want, or you can just sit in normal seating pose, okay? Now, we'll do some side stretch. Left hand on the ground, okay? And raise your right hand. Hold here for 5 counts. Now with the other side. Now, we'll do a little bit of twist. For that, put your left hand on the right knee. Put your right hand on the back. You try to give a twist to our spine. Then, put your right hand on the left knee. Put your left hand on the back. Now we'll do a little bit of breathing exercise to conclude this session. So sit in this position, sit any comfortable seating position. You can also take the support of a pillow and sit on it. Okay. And sit in this comfortable position. Now, put your hands on your knees, spine straight. Normal inhale slowly. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Slowly exhale. Inhale. Hold. Slowly exhale. Inhale. Hold. Slowly exhale. We'll again conclude the session with a prayer. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Alright, that's all for today. Bye bye. Stay strong. Let's meet